Welcome back to the realm of possibilities of shifting, transforming, becoming, and remembering all they came to be. Ah, what a time in evolution to unpack our full expression of divinity. And it's 11:11. I love the synchronicities as we find the comfort in this present moment in time. And I invite you to take this time for you to simply stop the whole rat race, the whole matrix. Just pause everything in the here and now. Be present. Come and sit with me, with us, with all that come through. Have a seat. Let's have a beautiful conversation from heart to heart. And that is something that we had forgot. How to connect heart to heart. That is one thing that Jesus came to remind us at some point in history of building that kingdom in our heart. Because I'll tell you this, that when you truly open up your heart, when you let go of the fear of getting hurt, of getting heartbroken, of being taken advantage of, or whatever, all the wounding that we have accumulated in our hearts, when we truly open this up and we're like, you know what, as long as I'm connected to my divinity, to the source, I'll never run out of love. I'll never run out of fuel. I'll never run out of healing power to heal my heart and put the pieces back together. So there's nothing to fear. Fine, break my heart in 24 hours. I'll cry it all out and I'll be back. Because we have all the tools within. So my invitation to all of you this year and for the rest of your life is open your heart, communicate from your heart. Live from your heart, speak from your heart, open up your heart to love. So much of our communication is so superficial, the mundane of weather and, I don't know, hair, nail polish, news, all kinds of things that we entertain with, talking about the past, gossiping, opinions, dislikes, so forth. I hear those conversations, those spells sent in the ether everywhere. And the message that is coming through so strongly to truly awaken to is, let's begin using those words for the life that we choose to create. Let's speak from our heart. The likes and dislikes don't come from our heart, they come from our mind, they come from our beliefs, perceptions, right? We attach certain values or certain things. But truly is when we lead with our heart, and heart is all love, there is no dislike. You simply resonate with something more than other, but there is nothing to truly hate or dislike. Right? How many things there are for you today, but they might not be for you tomorrow, and that is okay. Like, we're shifting, we're changing. Nothing about us is static. In fact, change is the only constant that we have in our life. So, what a paradigm shift. Let's come back to this, to our heart. Let's let go of all those illusions of that protection. And I know I personally have taught many workshops on how to protect your energy and how to this and this and that. And those are great tools to begin to discern what's yours and what's not yours. But all those tools are temporary. Eventually, you have to come to the inner standing that we're all one. And then if my neighbor is dealing with some stuff in my house in such close proximity, even if I'm not directly connected to it, I am being affected. I am waking up in the morning having this feeling, and it has nothing to do with me. Yet it has everything to do with me because we're all one. So my invitation is, as we begin to connect with our heart, let's use those words, those conversations, those spells that we add resonance to. Everything we speak is a spell in the ether. As much intention resonance you add to it, it adds power, it creates a momentum of energy. And if it meets with more people that are creating the same momentum, that thing becomes matter into this reality, right? And that's what we like communities, when we all have the same intention, it creates the very thing. So my intention for you, as we grow this community, as we share these videos, as we're open to these truths, to questioning all that we are, remember all that we are by forgetting all that we think we are. And it begins with the heart. That is the utmost truthful detector, or detector of truth, is your heart. Your heart will give you instincts. Your heart will tell you what is aligned and what is not. Listen to your heart, not the mind. And let's begin having those conversations from the heart. Have those deeper conversations with people in your life, not just the mundane conversations. And certainly not speaking about things that you don't choose to bring into your reality. Begin leading from your heart. And I'll see you tomorrow.